OIC to hold emergency meeting on Palestine. Israel army bombards several locations in Gaza. You will not recognize any changes regarding Jerusalem. NATO Turkey, an important ally in fighting terrorism. Turkey, US delegation visits safe zone joint operations center. US coalition may have committed war crimes in Syria, UN. Life sentence for 11 Brotherhood leaders in Hamas case. Iran calls on US to abandon warmongering policies. Yemeni rebels claim targeting Saudi troops. Somalia, mortar attack kills 1, wounds 3 in Mogadishu. Bangladesh gets tougher on Rohingya refugees. UN asks India to end rights breach in Jammu and Kashmir.